It's Sharon, Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. No, it's not my birthday. It's not Christmas. It's not even New Year's Day. But somebody loves me. And in celebration of Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited being a premier agency, we've got the royal treatment. Ta-da! Welcome to where we shall spend the next few days of glorious relaxation and hopefully a little work. I don't know. I shan't promise the work bit, but I shall certainly get the relaxation in. And you know, when your suppliers love you, they really make you feel special. And can I tell you the truth? I love my suppliers. I love this supplier very much. They've always been so very good to me. By now, you're really wondering, where is she? What is she doing? I will tell you in a moment or two. Just take a look around, soak it all in, enjoy for a moment. Ah, my new abode. If only all things could be this simple, this sensational, this easy to enjoy, then you would really have a fantastic day all the time. But I shall keep you in secret no longer, or at least not for much longer. You probably have seen the iconic touches that make this resort so amazing. Not sure if you can guess the emblem. Okay, it's not on that one. But let's see here. Yeah, here we go. If you said the Grand Palladium in Jamaica, I'll open this all out so you can get a good look. This is the premier all-inclusive property, and one that I not only love to sell, but one that I actually love to stay. I think I've lost track of how many times I've stayed here. I think I'm on my 8th or 9th or 10th, 11th, maybe my 12th visit. Oh, after you get to 10, 12, 11, who counts? So, look who just stepped into my room. Oh, do you know him? Alright, this is a part of the quiz. If you guess this person wrong, you're gonna have to send me 10 new subscribers. Okay, very good. That works. And then now there is another voice to the other side. Yes, you're wondering, what on earth are you doing with all these men in your room? I'm the man woman. You forgot? Always surrounded by men. Welcome. Do you like it?
Yes.
You do?
New look.
It's so comfortable. Some people take the floor for it.
Yes.
What can I tell you? I'm gonna take you into the bathroom just for a minute.
Alright.
And then I'm gonna say goodbye because I'm gonna chill. So, it's redone, it's remodeled, it's revitalized, refreshed, and very, very nice. So, when you don't see me, when you don't hear me, you know where I am. And you know where I'm going to be soaking for a very, very, very long time. So, as much as I love you all, as much as I know you enjoy Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, as much as I know you want to see more and more of the productions, this is where I must say adeo. Oh, but I must show you outside. I will not say goodbye until I've shown you my view. The view from the patio. Did I tell you they offer 24 hours room service? Yep. I have a funny feeling that they're not gonna see me outside until checkout time. Can you blame me? Take it all in. Look at it. How beautiful is that? And you're loving it. I know. I'm loving it too. I'm probably loving it a little bit more than you, simply because I'm gonna be sucking it up and soaking it up and really enjoying it for the next few days. So welcome, and I will see you to tell you how great it was a little later. Ciao for now.